berapa mereka dari NOC Singapura?
I think the progress is good. So far, the information that we received, it seems that most of the venues will be completed by May, if not latest by June. And I think the authorities are doing their best to get everything ready. I think in Palembang also they are building the LRT. I'm quite happy to hear that. That the athletes will have the first priority when they arrive here to take the LRT from the airport to the Games Village.
Belum tinggal loh.